How to install Microsoft Office on Windows. Hey everyone, need to crunch numbers in Excel, craft presentations in PowerPoint, or write documents in Word? This video will show how to install Microsoft Office on your Windows in 2 easy ways. Microsoft Office is a collection of productivity apps essential for students, professionals, and anyone who needs to create, edit, and collaborate in documents, presentations, and spreadsheets. There are 2 main ways to install Microsoft Office. First of all, installing Microsoft Office 365 by subscription. This is the most current version of Office, offering cloud storage, constant updates, and access to Office apps across multiple devices, or installing a one-time purchase version, which is optional. This lets you buy a specific version of Office, for example Office 2021, for a one-time fee. You won't get the cloud storage or updates of the subscription option. You can head to Microsoft website, open the web browser, and visit www.microsoft.com, Microsoft 365, choose your subscription, individual, family, or business, and download the installer, and then click on it on your PC to start the installation process. You can follow the prompts for an easy installation. Before installing, make sure your Windows PC meets the minimum system requirements, which most PCs actually do. With Microsoft Office installed, you'll have the tools you need to boost your productivity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.